Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Emilyn Acosta, 39 years old, married, and I have one daughter, 11 years old. I am a college graduate with the course of Bachelor of Arts in English. I have an experience as a domestic helper in Lebanon for 8 years. I do Arabic foods because my employer is a Lebanese and they have 4 kids. I also doing washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, gardening, and picking fruits. Mom, sir, if you hired me, I will do my duties and responsibilities with love and dedication. I hope I will be part of your family, and I will treat your family as my own family. I am a happy person, honest, and hardworking. Thank you, Mom, and God bless.